just human, and the answers aren't only machine. This is an invitation to listen. We stand.
Doing. I'm not here to tell you what to think, and I'm here to think with you. I've spent a lot of time looking at the world and wondering why we build systems that give up on people so quickly. Prisons that punish but don't rebuild, processes that label instead of understand, conversations that divide instead of grow. And I keep coming back to one idea. What if we started from the belief that people can change? Not perfectly, not instantly, but meaningfully. What if instead of isolation, we gave people guidance? Imagine this. Someone sitting in a cell or waiting to enter a new country, not alone, not ignored, but with an AI companion. Not just a screen, but something that actually talks with them, challenges them, trains them and teaches them, guides them, and helps them build discipline, health, perspective. Something that can be tracked in the growth, not just their mistakes. Something that helps prove who they're becoming. So it's not surveillance for control, but structure for transformation. And this channel right here is where I'm going to explore ideas like that. Not as final answers, but as starting points. We're going to talk about how people rebuild themselves, how systems can evolve, how technology can guide instead of replace, and what it really means to move forward without carrying everything behind us, including this. What if all is forgiven wasn't just a phrase, but a system we actually are designed for? If you've ever felt like people are more than their worst moments, or the future could be built differently, or that we're only scratching the surface right now of what AI can actually do for humanity, then you'll probably feel at home here. So don't just subscribe, come think with me. It's obvious in this first video, I'm just starting this. I'm not professional, I don't know how to really do this, but I have a message. I have many messages and revelations. In the prophetic world, I'm called wisdom's brother. Come be guided, come think, and come help me to generate these ideas that I have.
I see your colors in the dark, strangers glowing heart to heart. Every smile, every sign, we're all moving in the same time. No walls, no divide, just rhythm pulling us inside. If you fall, I've got you near. We protect the moment, we protect each other. water shared and hands held tight, checking in under flashing lights. If you're lost, I'll lead the way. No one gets left behind tonight. Peace in the way we move, love in the things we do, unity when the beat collides, respect in every open eye, and together pass it on. Can be trading till the dawn. This is more than just a night. This is how we keep it alive. Peace, love, unity, respect. Blood in the air we breathe, oh, blood, you and me. Blood when the lights explode, we take care of our own. When the music fades away, carry it into every day.
So you're still here. Congratulations. Hope you enjoyed the song. I generated that. I put that on here, posted it with this video just to give you an idea of where I'm coming from. I'm Gen X, baby, and I'm putting us on the map finally. Come join me. Get with this. It's going to be real. Thanks.